In this video, learn how to display fewer or more decimals in Excel. Let's get started. Let's look at how to decrease a decimal in Excel. In cell A1, let's type in 2.223, which is a number with 3 decimal places. Now to decrease this decimal, let's go in the Home tab to the number group, and then here let's press the decrease decimal command 2 times, and that decreases the decimal to one place, 2.2. Simple enough. Increasing the decimal places is just as easy. You do the same thing, just go to the number group and we can press the increase decimal command. In this case, let's press it a couple of times and our number is back to its original 2.223. If we want to increase the decimal even more, we can press it one more time. You can see that the number is now 2.2230. So it's very simple to use, just like the decreased decimal. Next, let's look at underlying value in calculations. Okay, let's go back to our number here, and I'll go back to the number group and decrease the decimal back to 2.2. One thing to note is that when you decrease or increase the decimal, it doesn't change the underlying value in Excel. For example, if you look in the formula bar, it still says 2.223, which is the underlying value. One additional thing to consider is that when you do a calculation on a number that's had its decimal decreased, the calculation still uses the underlying precise value. So what does that mean? Let's say we multiply 2.2 by 2. Hit enter. As you can see, the result of 2.2 times 2 is not 4.4. The cell actually shows 4.446, which is the original value of 2.223 times 2. So just remember that when you do calculations with numbers that have had reduced decimals, that the calculation is going to use the underlying precise value. In this video, you learned how to decrease and increase decimals in Excel. You also learned about underlying values in calculations. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon so you are automatically notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.